Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Chop Biscoff biscuits to crumbs. Mix the crumbs with melted butter.
Don't judge me. I just wish you knew.
Pour your crumbs mixture into a baking tin and compact.
That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
Refrigerate while making your cream mixture. Whisk double cream until thick, then set aside. Mix cream cheese and condensed milk.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I
Add caramel and the juice of lemons.
I want you. I know life ain't always fair. I still feel.
Now, fold the two mixtures together a bit at a time.
Need you. I want you. I miss you as I need you.
Arrange the Biscoff biscuits around your baking tin.
I want you. Good night.
Add in the cream cheese mixture and flatten.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you.
Refrigerate overnight. Pipe in a layer of caramel to fully cover.
think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said.
Microwave Biscoff spread for a few seconds until soft. Pour on top to cover. Sprinkle on chocolate flakes. Refrigerate overnight again. Remove from baking tin. Decorate with ribbon of your choice. And there you have a special cheesecake everyone will enjoy. And here is an alternative topping. Using cream and honeycomb instead of chocolate flakes.
Good night. Good night.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.